Okay, so we're going to go over how to complete the periodic table patterns activity. So I'm just going to briefly go over it and I'll kind of let you guys finish up the rest on your own. So in these questions, we are using our periodic table which we made, which was this one. So I have a partially completed periodic table here. So you need to have this complete to do this assignment. If you don't have this complete, then you can't do the assignment. And you need to go and you need to finish this. Okay, so first you do this, then you can do today's assignment. So let's look at the kind of questions we're going to be asked, because all the questions are based off of what we made. So it says, look at your Bohr models. Which elements have complete outer shells of valence electrons? Okay. Well, if I go and I look at my models, I would eventually look at all my models and like, wait, this doesn't have a complete one. This doesn't have a complete shell. And so if you remember, complete shell means we have 8. Okay. Well, I drew some examples. So let's look at helium. Well, is helium complete or is it 4? Well, yeah, right. Because if I have 2, that's the first one can only hold 2. So that's actually considered to be 4. So I'll say that is 4. I'm just putting check marks to just show you guys. Okay. So that's 4. That's the only exception. Now we have to find which ones have 8 around them. If you notice, you probably won't have any like that here, but neon has 8, argon has 8. So all 3 of these have full outer shells. So on my problem, I would go ahead and list the name. And then, for example, helium. And I would write the symbol. Then I'll just go on until I finish the rest. So the next atom would be, well, neon. And I would write neon. And I would write the symbol for neon. Should be Ne. Okay, and then I would write the rest, argon, and so forth. Then the rest of the questions are, for example, it's asking me, where are these elements located in the table? Don't overthink about it. Don't overthink about it or overthink it. Just give me a general answer. Okay, so where are they located? Well, are they in the middle of the table? Are they to the right of the table? Are they on the bottom of the table? In this case, they're all located to the right. So you would just say they are located to the right. Okay, then the next one, which ones have only one valence electron? You would continue looking at your table and so forth. Okay, so all of these questions, if you completed your periodic table correctly, all of these questions should be able to be answered using the table, okay, the periodic table that you made. And that alone, that's all you really need. There is one question, I think it's question 11 or 12, where you do have to use a full periodic table to answer it, but it'll tell you where. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this. Make sure you guys get this in. If you have questions, just email me.